Welcome back to English Ladder. In this lesson, we'll describe food and its taste in English. There will be a quiz at the end of the video, so don't miss it. Sweet. A sugary taste, like candy or cake. What flavor is chocolate? Chocolate is sweet. Salty. A taste like salt, often found in snacks. Are the potato chips salty? Yes, they're perfectly salty. Sour. A sharp and tangy taste, like lemons. How is the lemonade? It's sour and refreshing. Bitter. A strong taste, not sweet, like black coffee. How is the black coffee? It's bitter. Spicy. A hot and burning taste, like chili peppers. Is the curry spicy? Yes, it's quite spicy. Savory. Having a rich, satisfying flavor. How is the pasta? It's savory and delicious. Tangy. Having a sharp, zesty flavor. How is the salad dressing? It's tangy and refreshing. Rich. Having a strong, full flavor. How is the chocolate cake? It's rich and creamy. Juicy. Full of juice and flavorful. Is the watermelon juicy? Yes, it's very juicy. Crispy. Crunchy and firm. Are the French fries crispy? Yes, they're perfectly crispy. Earthy. Natural and plant-like. How is the mushroom soup? It's earthy and natural. Zesty. Fresh and strong, often with lemon or spices. How is the salsa? It's zesty and spicy. Ripe. A fruit or vegetable that is ready to eat. How is the banana? It's ripe and sweet. Unripe. A fruit or vegetable that isn't ready to eat, usually hard and sour. Is the mango unripe? Yes, it's unripe and sour. Rotten. Food that has gone bad and smells or tastes unpleasant. How is the apple? It's rotten and smells bad. Stale. Food that is old and not fresh. How is the bread? It's stale and hard. Burnt. Food that has been overcooked and tastes bitter. Is the toast burnt? Yes, it's burnt and bitter. Are you ready for the quiz? Each question is worth 1 point. How many points will you get?